Good day, everyone. My name is Blessing Ozioma Ume. I'm here to present my topic, work, which says influence of school effectiveness and study environment on academic achievements in Lagos State Secondary School, Nigeria. These are my outlines. Then the work itself. Academic achievement is a key indicator of educational quality. Lagos State face persistent, inconsistent student performances despite the reforms, according to Eborn and Okor in 2020. School effectiveness, teacher and leadership qualities, and the study environment, infrastructure climates are understudied in Nigeria. Then the study environment includes school classroom layout, access to resources, technology, and the psychosocial aspects such as peer relationship, teacher support, and the emotional well-being has been investigated in relationship to academic performances. Problem statement. In southwest Nigeria, where this study area is situated, results of the West African Examination Council WAEC indicate a decreasing pass rate in essential subjects among public secondary school from 76 down to 36 in a recent year. Underperformed persist despite educational reform, according to Joshua Etter in 2022. The lack of data on how school effectiveness and the study environment jointly influence achievement. Then the need for evidence-based interventions to improve secondary school education. The research questions. What is the relationship between school effectiveness and academic achievement? The first hypothesis. The second, how does the study environment affect academic achievement? Then the third, what is the combined effect of both factor or academic achievement? Then the research objective. Examine the relationship between school effectiveness and the academic achievement. Secondary, assess the impact of the study environment on performances. Thirdly, exploit the combined effect of both factors on achievement. Then the scope of the study. This study focuses on examining the school effectiveness and study environment of academic achievement of secondary school in Lagos State, Nigeria. The location, Lagos Central Senatorial District with 10 secondary schools. Then participants, 150 teachers, 50 per school. Then data source, NECO mathematics score of 2024. Then the variables. Independent variables are school effectiveness and the study environment. Dependent, academic achievement. Then the significance of the study, policy, guide reform, leadership training, and the infrastructure. Practice, helps schools optimize learning environment. Research, address gaps in Nigeria educational literature. Then the equity, support resources allocation to reduce disparity, according to Okon in 2022. These are the definition of the term, which is school effectiveness, study environment, and the academic achievement. Then the literature review, the key finding, strong leadership improves student outcome according to Yusuf in 2019. Then teacher collaboration, enhanced engagement, Wang in 2020. Then the challenges in Nigeria, resources shortage, occurring in 2022. Then exam malpractice, Ogazie in 2019. Then social economic disparities, Abrota in 2023. Then the next is research framework. In the research framework, we talk about the relationship between the independent and the dependent, which is school effectiveness and study environment. Then the dependent here is academic achievement. Then the research methodology. Here in this research methodology, I choose quantitative research. Then the research design for it is survey method. Then the sampling, 150 teachers. Then the instruments and the measurement. School effectiveness was being measured by school effectiveness index, while school environment is measured by physical environment checklist according to Beradell in 2021. Then student academic achievement measured by mathematics subject examination score of National Examination Council in Nigeria. Then the analysis, Pearson correlation and regression, the data analysis and the finding. The data analysis and the finding here, the gender distribution of the response. Here we talk about the questionnaire. I distribute 150 questionnaire. At the end, I retrieve 144. Out of that 144, 91 is female and the 53 is male. Then the summary statistics of the response, academic qualification. Here we talk of out of the 144 questionnaire retrieved, 82 with first degree, 29 with second degree, with master's degree, then 23 NCE, which is Nigeria Certificate in Education, 7 others, and 3 PhD. Then this is the differential method. This is differential data analysis. In this case, we talk about the inverse table, show that how 99% of the participants agreed or strongly agreed with each of the items on the school in effectiveness. Then the second table summarizes the response to 6 items on the study environment. Then the third table shows the average national examination mathematics score of the student in the selected school, which is 57.59, and the minimum score is 27, while the maximum score is 87 with a range of 60. Then analysis and the findings on the table 4, the correlation of school effectiveness on the academic achievement. We state that the hypothesis in hypothesis 3, we state that there is a significant relationship between school effectiveness and academic achievement in Lagos State. The result of this table in table 4 below indicates significant probability value less than 0.05 positive correlation between principal leadership attributes and the school effectiveness index. Then the second hypothesis here of the study posed that there is a significant effect of study environment on student academic achievement in secondary school in Lagos. Nigeria. The hypothesis was tested using sample regression analysis, finding revealed that a positive changes of 1 unit in the study environment lead to positive change of 1.13 units in the academic performances of the students. Then they found the discussion. The summary of student academic performances in mathematics in table 3 characterized by a mean score of 7 points. Okay, I've said something before. Then the conclusion. The study include that the school effectiveness and the quality of study environment significantly influence student academic achievement in Lagos State Secondary School. The key elements such as engagement, system thinking, reading, learning, and the self-awareness are strongly linked to better student performances, particularly in mathematics. Although the study environment explains only the modest part of the variation in academic outcome, its importance is still evidence. Okay. Thanks for listening.